Hello and welcome in this tutorial. Here you'll learn whole process of creating convincing HonorAi characters from downloading model to adding sounds. First let's log into Mixamo website and select Brute character and his animation pack. Set Mixamo download settings as shown on video. Place downloaded files in Unity project. With all files in project, now we need to set animation type to humanoid on model FBX file. And for all his animation files we do the same, but now we use avatar definition from our model file. For better clarity and organization, let's put unused animations in separate folder. Animation clips downloaded from Mixamo don't have proper names. To rename we're going to use simple tool called Renamer. Select all animations you're going to use and click Rename Clips button. As you can see now, clip animation names match their file name. For all looping animation, we need to select loop time in their animation import settings. The only animations you don't want to select loop time are single animations like attacks, dying, etc. Based upon, should be set original, and root transform position, Y, bake into pose to true for all animations. Set root transform rotation, bake into pose to true for all non-rotating animations. For all not moving animations, set root transform position XZ, bake into pose to true. If some looping animation isn't looping smoothly, select Loop Pose to True. Since this is one of the more time-consuming tasks when preparing characters, you can expect tool that will automate this process in future update. Okay, with all animations import settings done properly, let's create our character using Character Creation Wizard. Now we put all combat animations into separate folder. This will allow to assign all our animations automatically with just few clicks, instead of assigning all animations manually. We can do this thanks to Auto Animation Assigner tool that detects relevant animations based on their names and keywords. Just select folder with your animations and press Find Animations. You'll see result of Search in Animation Tools window. If you're satisfied with assigned animations, select your character and press button with a group of animations you want to assign. Now we repeat this process for combat and single animations we earlier put in separate folder. As you can see, all animations are assigned perfectly in relevant fields, saving us a lot of time. In this case, we don't have unarmed animations for left and right movement. Luckily that's not an issue, as we can just use their combat counterparts. Since our animation pack didn't have dying animation, we'll assign it manually now. Now we'll add attack event to our melee animation so that it will deal damage at the right time. And set this tick box to true to let system know that we use animation events to deal damage. Second one will make our character look more convincing while fighting by looking at his enemy. Let's add weapon to our character so that he can actually fight. In HonorAi, weapons are single components on game objects that can be prefabbed and be reusable between different characters. Weapon is ready, let's assign it in his weapon slot. In future HonorAi will support multiple weapons. Now we save our character as prefab so that it can be reused and spawned at runtime. Set use ragdoll to false as we have dying animation. Add one waypoint with 10 meters radius so that he will walk around. And that's all. Our warrior is ready for first test. They are neutral toward each other since we didn't assign them any AI group. Set one of them to treat neutral characters as enemies so that he will attack the other one. As you can see, their animations and fighting logic are working perfectly. To top it off, let's see how to add fighting and footstep sounds. HonorAi uses sound config assets which allow you to assign many different audio clips into one type of sound, and also vary their pitch randomly so they sound a little different every time. We assigned footstep sounds, but to actually play them we need to add animation events just like we did for attack animation. And that concludes this tutorial. Make sure to post on forums or Discord server what you think about HonorAi and what improvements and new features you would like to see implemented in future. Thanks for watching.